Burping contest, what up? Woohoo! You go first. That was so bad. Go ahead, go. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Okay, go ahead. Come on. Drink. Ew, we better not have backwashed. You're so gross. No, it happened. Give me. Ew! I told you. Ew! Got your foot away from me. Stink foot. Why don't you have any pants on?
This is the sleeping pants. It's like boxers. It's boxers.
What the hell?
But you're so bad.
I know. I'm usually good though. Let's see if we can take it old school.
I'm going old school.
Ha! Got him!
Ditto.
Knock it off.
No, look, I'm gonna make it look like I'm picking my nose.
Stop. Let's continue. Burp.
Wait, you want it? You have to go.
Well, I can't burp.
You want to watch it?
Not very good at this anymore. I can't drink it like that. Just burp. It's louder if you just burp. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go.
Go ahead, go.
Don't make me.
She's laughing. Oh, you want to go?
You want to go? Ow! Come on.
What?
Fine.
Oh! Let me just.
Yeah,